You can make $350 or more every single day using Instagram just like I do. This might sound unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's 100% possible. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take, even if you're starting from scratch with 0 followers. Yes, you read that correctly, 0 followers. There are a ton of ways to earn money on Instagram. But today, we're going to focus on one of the most straightforward and effective methods: Instagram affiliate marketing. Instagram affiliate marketing is super simple. Here's how it works. Now, you join an affiliate program like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or any other platform that fits your niche. Once you're signed up, you'll get a custom link to share. Every time someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. That's it. No need to create your own product, no inventory, no shipping. You're just recommending products you believe in and earning money for it. So how do you get people to click your affiliate link? This is where Instagram Reels come in. Create short, attention-grabbing videos that highlight how the product solves a problem or adds value. Then, add your affiliate link to your bio. And in your Reel, tell your audience to check out the link in your bio. When they click and make a purchase, you get paid. Here's a key tip. Don't just promote random products. Focus on products that are relevant to your audience and align with your niche. For example, if you're in the fitness space, promote products like workout programs, supplements, or gym gear that can genuinely help your audience. When people see that you're recommending valuable products, they'll trust you more. But if it feels like you're just pushing random stuff for a quick buck, they'll tune out fast. Here's another insider hack. Use a link shortener like bit.ly or tinyurl to make your affiliate link look cleaner and more professional. Another bonus of using tools like bit.ly, they allow you to track your link clicks. You can see which links are performing best, which helps you tweak your strategy and focus on what's working. Some shorteners, like AdFly, even pay you for each click, so you can earn extra money on top of your affiliate commission. That's like doubling your income potential. Want to take it even further? Look for products that offer recurring commissions. This means you don't just get paid once when someone buys. You earn money every month as long as they continue using the product or service. It's an amazing way to build a reliable, ongoing income stream. Now, let's talk about one of Instagram's most underrated tools: direct messages, DMs. DMs are an absolute goldmine for creating connections and driving sales. And here's the best part. Instagram lets you send up to 150 DMs per day. That's 150 chances to connect with potential customers. But here's the thing. Spamming people with your affiliate link won't work. You have to approach it strategically. Start by sending a friendly, personalized message. For instance, "Hey, I noticed you're into fitness. I recently discovered this amazing product that could help with your goals. You can check it out through the link in my bio. Let me know if you have any questions." This kind of message feels more genuine and is far more likely to get a response. Another smart move is using DMs to gather feedback. Reach out to your audience and ask them what kind of content they enjoy or what challenges they're facing. This not only helps you build a stronger relationship with them, but it also gives you valuable insights into what type of content to create next. People love to share their opinions, so you're likely to get plenty of helpful responses. Here's one more DM tactic. Use it for upselling. Let's say someone buys a product through your affiliate link. Follow up with them a few days later to see how they're liking it. If they're happy with the purchase, suggest another related product they might find useful. This strengthens your connection with them while also boosting your earnings. By now, you should be seeing some traction. Your Reels are getting more views. You've made a few affiliate sales, and maybe you've even gained some new followers. But don't stop here. To really unlock your full earning potential, you need to constantly refine and optimize your strategy. If you want a free training video showing you how to start this step by step, click the first link in the description. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for even more strategies. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a game-changing tip. Let's build your Instagram income together. Also, check the link in the description on how to scale your business to 100K a month if possible.